Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm starting out here at Dollar Tree and we're gonna look at all of their seasonal stuff. So come on with me, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, what I want to say is usually I will look at the Dollar Tree when I'm in there in detail. So I will pick up every item and show it to you, and then I'll place it back. Usually I'll shop for whatever I'm going to shop for after the video. Sometimes you'll see me doing it during, and that's only because the items are so limited. Now, I do have to say, for those that don't like going to Dollar Tree, that if you look carefully, a lot of their summer stuff is pretty awesome. It's washable, they're durable, and it's all of that melamine type of plates, but everything matches. So you might want to take a look at that. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called the Budget Friendly Shop With Me and Haul. Now, you could either do a shop with me, or you could do a haul, or you could do both. So that's what's amazing about this collab. Now, let's take a look to see who's hosting. Now, the main host of this collab is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I do have Deborah Cabasa Home Living who's hosting with me. Then I have co-hosts. So let's take a look at these beautiful ladies. Design with Emma, At Home with Lisa, Debbie Bubbles, Miriam Creative Corner, and Decorate with Us. Also, remember that as in all collaborations, we do practice YouTube etiquette, and I would love for you to use the hashtag so it makes it easier for me to find your video. It's hashtag ShopWithMe24. Just a quick reminder that you will find the playlist in the community tab the day of the collaboration. You'll also find the collaboration calendar there and all of the thumbnails. If you have any questions, make sure and send me a message. Now, as we walk through the store, you can see they have some amazing plasticware that you can use outdoors, especially when you have the younger ones, or you just want disposable stuff. And honestly speaking, it's thick enough that you can just go ahead and wash it and store it away. I love their towels. And it's just a lot of new stuff. So they are coming out with multiple different types of runners for each type of season and each type of holiday. Let's head on over to the hall, and it is a mixed one, but I had so much fun. Let's go over there. So I have 2 bags here. I know I went to one of the stores with the Dollar Tree, but guys, honestly, I went to multiple stores and threw everything all in these 2 bags. So as I take it out, I'll tell you exactly what I got from where. Let's get started, guys. Okay, so look at these beautiful flowers I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm absolutely loving that lavender. I love the flow of them, and the tag says wisteria. So that's a wisteria stem, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I got 4 of these. I think they're gorgeous, guys. Now, I'm just gonna try to move stuff over. All right. So I needed a pair of these scissors, and I can tell you right now, these came from Walmart. I do believe these came from Walmart. So I got 1 of these. I go through so many scissors. All right, so every item is coming from different places. So, all right, so in the crafter section of the Dollar Tree, you're going to find these, hopefully. These are wooden planks, and they come in this rectangular shape. Okay, say wooden planks. And they're, like I said, crafter section of the Dollar Tree. And then these are also wooden planks, and you see how these are square and these are rectangle. You can never go wrong with these. When you see these guys, if you DIY, you want to grab them. So it comes 6 in a pack. So I grabbed them because I'm going to be stocking up on some DIYs. I always grab the glue sticks from the Dollar Tree. I don't have any problem at all with the glue sticks from there. Usually I make sure and secure stuff with the Fix-All adhesive or any adhesive that I have, but this is where I don't have any problem with the glue sticks from the Dollar Tree, so I got some of those. Okay, now, all right, so I saw this towel. I did get the salad plate. That goes with this. I don't think there's any writing on it. There was writing on the plate, but all I wanted was the 1 towel, okay? And so I got this. Could use that in a collab. And then the Dollar Tree came out with these white dishes. They are so much well made. They're not, let me see where they came from, because they probably came from somewhere else. So it's called Royal Norfolk. That's what these plates are, and they're so nice, I cannot tell you. So I grabbed 2 because I don't have any white dishes, and I just grabbed 2. Aren't they beautiful? I could see the difference. So these must have come from another store. I'm just gonna place that in the back in the paper. I'm not ready to take this stuff out. I just wanted to show you. So I don't think those are Dollar Tree white plates. there are no flaws or anything to these plates. So I'm gonna put them back in here. They wound up at the Dollar Tree and they're good quality. I didn't even realize. So I'm gonna put some of this stuff back in here. Okay. And that also includes the florals. I'm just gonna stick this all in there because I'm not ready to put this stuff away yet. And then we just move that. And let's see what I tossed in here. I did toss the other florals that I had. I might have shown this. I went back and got some more florals, guys, from Michael's. So these, look at these mini roses. I am in love with the mini roses. And I went back and I got some more because I have a DIY plan for them. And so let me see, 1, 2, 3. I got 4 more of these. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. So I got that. And then I got 2, I found 2 at the Dollar Tree. I found 2 of these little mini sunflowers. So I love them. You can never go wrong with these florals. Now this is from Hobby Lobby. All right, so one of my sunflowers came loose. Look at these plates, guys. So I was in Hobby Lobby and I just grabbed 2 of these salad plates. Shabby chic, 100% melamine plate. They are gorgeous, aren't they? So they were $3.99 a plate. They are gorgeous. So I grabbed 2 of these. At Home Goods, I saw something very similar to these in pink, but I'm just gravitating toward the lavender. So let's see what else I got here. I love these. Absolutely love these. These were $3.79. These placemats. Look at these placemats, guys. Look at this. They are beautiful. Can't wait to decorate with them. So I just grabbed 2 of those. They're so pretty. And then I know that this is, look at from Hobby Lobby. Look at these chargers, guys. Have you seen these? I know I've seen the other ones, but these I have not seen. I'm so excited to use these. They're gorgeous. And again, it's from a place called Market Square. I got these from Hobby Lobby, guys. They are gorgeous. So those are so pretty. All right. So I also saw this bee ribbon. So I kind of like the bee ribbon. The big bees is so easy to spot. So I grabbed one of those ribbons. Also, let's see. Now I did grab a pack of the little bees. See, for crafting. So I wanted to get some more bees. I don't know. We've been in the bee stage for a while. And I also like, it's not adorable. So I saw this in the bee section and it said, let it be. It's a little, you know, baking roller type thing. I don't know. I forget what you call these. And then I saw this, the little honey, and it has a bee on it. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So this one says, it was $3.99 for each. This one is $4.49, but they were on sale. They were all on sale, and these pack of bees here, $4.49. All of these things were all on sale. This says $4.99. They were all on sale. Let's see. Let me see what I got them for. So, $179. So one of these were $179. The other one was $279. Let's see. Not sure where the ribbon is. I don't see it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm taking too long. So nevertheless, all the stuff that I got here, I'm just so happy with. I like these little items here, so I'm going to be using that very shortly. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave that out. And then, oh, look at this. I am just so, I don't know if you can get an idea. If you can just get an idea of what that's going to look like. Of course, this is the salad plate, but oh, They're just gorgeous. So we're gonna put this back in the bag. So I hope you enjoyed my haul. I hope you enjoyed my haul. And I'm just so excited to be using all of these items in my DIYs or my tier trays or whatever we have going on, guys. I'm very excited to start using all of these items that I've been picking up because I gotta stop spending so much money. But this was gorgeous. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.